Zinc Gluconate oral solution sachet packaging machinery is composed of main packing machine, liquid and paste puff, film input, date printer, touch screen, sealing and cutting system. Machine are controlled by PLC system. Stainless steel surrounds the part where contact to the material. The machine is accordant with the European CE standard. This machine can be installed to code printed for 1 to 3 lines characters such as production date and expiry date according to your requirement. We exported this machine to Switzerland. It's very popular in the world.